Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Olympiad question with fractions. So let's start. What is the question here? Veda swam for a total of 9 by 10 km for 3 days from Monday to Wednesday. She swam 1 by 5 km on Tuesday. On Wednesday, she swam the same distance as on Tuesday. What was the distance she swam on Monday? Express your answer as a fraction. Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. Veda swam for a total of 9 by 10 km for 3 days and we have to find the distance she swam on Monday. So let's see how to solve this problem. Total distance equals to 9 by 10 kilometers. Let's assume that Monday distance is x kilometer. Tuesday she swam 1 by 5 kilometers. Wednesday she swam 1 by 5 kilometer. Total distance equals to x plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 equals to 9 by 10. Because in the question they given that she swam for total 9 by 10 kilometer for 3 days. X plus 2 by 5 equals to 9 by 10. X equals to 9 by 10 minus 2 by 5. LCM of 5 and 10 are 10. X equals to 9 minus 4 by 10. X equals to 5 by 10. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 1 by 2 kilometers. So, she swam on Monday 1 by 2 kilometers distance. To recap, let's take a quick look at the entire solution one more time. Watch till the end to see how I solve this math problem. If you have any doubt about this problem, please ask me in the comment section. The another question is Suman bought 12 pencils and 7 pens. Each pencil cost 0.60 rupees and each pen cost twice the amount of how much did he spend altogether. Round off your answer to the nearest number. So, read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find how much money did he spend all together. So, let's see how to solve this problem. Cost of one pencil equals to 0.60 rupees. Cost of one pen equals to 1.20 rupees, because in the question they given that twice the amount of one pencil. Cost of 12 pens equals to 12 multiplied by 0.60 equals to 7.2 rupees. Cost of 7 pens equals to 7 multiplied by 1.20 equals to 8.4 rupees. Total cost equals to 7.2 plus 8.4 equals to 15.6 rupees. And total cost is 16 rupees, because in the question they asked that round off your answer to the nearest number. So nearest number is 16. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.